Let us talk about nutrition today. I'm Rakshitha, clinical nutritionist and fitness trainer. I want to talk about nutrition and let you all know the importance of nutrition. Why anybody want to know about nutrition and what is the use of it? So let us understand the basics first, and we will all know why is it important. The lifestyle what we are leading these days are leading to a lot of chronic diseases, and because of that we can see lots of health issues going around us. In fact, we are hearing many health conditions which we wouldn't have known before a few years ago, in fact. So that is the reason it's really important to focus on our nutrition and be fit. So let us understand what is nutrition. Nutrition is nothing but a nourishment for our body. It consists of nutrients, and it comes from the food what we intake. Nutrients are nothing but chemical substances which is needed or which is present in the nutrition or the food what we consume, and they are required for our proper functioning of the cells, tissues, and any organ system for that matter. So whatever nutrition is going inside our body, those nutrients are metabolized in the body and then is used for proper functioning of our body and cells. Now with the food what we eat, right, so we are supposed to focus on the balanced nutrition, but there are things what we need to also focus on which are called as components of nutrition. That is nothing but macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are nothing but carbohydrates, proteins and fats, wherein micronutrients are vitamins and minerals. Macro, by the name itself, it says that we need it in larger quantities for our body to function, and micronutrients are nothing but the nutrients which is required in very lesser quantity for our body to function properly. Now these vitamins and minerals are very much important for our body to function properly. Not only that, it also helps us to improve our immunity and then protects our body against any kind of a disease. Now macronutrients, on the other hand, helps us to carry out our day-to-day life activities. For example, carbohydrates provides us with lots of energy to talk, to run, to walk, to eat, for everything. And proteins, on the other hand, are important for our cells to get repaired and to get rejuvenated, as well as to build muscles. So this is very much important for our growth. Fats, on the other hand, are also a source of energy, and they provide us with instant energy. If in case we want a sudden energy boost in our body, then we can consume a little bit of fats, and then we will have enough energy to carry on. Now, what are the sources of carbohydrates, proteins and fats? So there are different types of carbohydrates. Majorly, if we want to say, there are simple carbs and complex carbs. By now we all might have heard a lot about simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates are nothing but the processed foods, like they are very much simple, as in that is the basics of carbohydrates which goes inside our body and then gets broken down very easily. Instantly it will be absorbed to our body. Complex carbohydrates, on the other hand, are complex. By the name itself it says it's complex, and that will be broken down, and that process takes a lot of time in the body. Hence it takes a lot of energy also to break it, and then it will convert into simple energy, simple sugars whenever it is necessary for our body. Now it is very much recommended for anybody to consume complex carbohydrates because they are also energy source, but then they slowly release energy and will not give you instant boost of energy and will be finished off immediately, wherein simple carbohydrates does that job. So you consume any kind of a simple sugar, it goes into the body, immediately gets broken down, and when that goes into our body, it not just does that, it also increases the level of insulin inside our body. Now proteins are nothing but made up of amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. So many amino acids combine to form proteins, and there are different types of proteins as well, amino acids as well, which we will see later on. But they are important for our body to function well and then for the growth. Fats, there are different types of fats. Again, triglycerides and fatty acids are the basics or the building blocks of fats. So these fatty acids are utilized by our body, and if in case it is in excess amount, then it will be stored in our livers and kidneys. So that part we will obviously go ahead and discuss a lot about, and what happens if in case the excess energy is stored in our body, how is it leading to lots of issues in the body, or how it is metabolized, utilized, absorbed. Everything we will be talking about it in upcoming videos, or probably in here and there, like in a short reels I'll be posting. So we will learn a lot about it, and like I said before, it's really important for us to know why we have to focus on nutrition and fitness. So I'll be talking about fitness as well, and I'll be coming up with lots of workout videos which anybody can do at home, so that they will have to not worry about getting up and going to gym, and then worrying about I have to go get the gym membership, or I probably have no time. So for all of us, I have got like simple solutions and very much recommended and easy workouts which can be done at home, and also food recipes which we can all make it at home and not rely upon outside foods, and then consume at our convenience. So I'll be coming up with all of these sooner, and please keep watching and let me know what good videos you want to watch, and what are the topics you are interested to learn and then know about. Let me know, I'll do the same thing. Thank you so much.